Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to update your Python library, okay, with CMD. Okay, after installing your Python, okay, from the Python website, okay, you just go to here. You can find IDE. I am going to right click and going to properties, and then I am going to open the file location. Okay, inside this file location I am going to open scripts, and then by clicking here I am going to type cmd. Okay, it directly open the directory from here. Okay, inside this I am going to install MySQL, okay, connector. Okay, uh, for that I am going to use Python. Okay, and then dash m pip, okay, install MySQL, okay, and then connector. Okay, actually why you need this SQL connector means in Python if you want to use the database you need SQL connector, and you should install it, and I am pressing enter. Okay, it will take some time. Actually I already installed it. If you not installed the plugin, okay, it will download the files, required files, and then start to install. And also I am going to install pip, okay, install pill. Okay, it's okay, however it can't upgrade. Okay, also I am going to install pip install. I need cascade. Okay, cascade is required to read your files, and it will do file handling. Okay, yeah, you can see it started downloading. Let it do its job. You are using pip now, however. Okay, I am going to install my pip library. It's already showing. You just type python m pip install upgrade pip. Okay, I am just going to type it, python m pip install double dash upgrade, okay, pip and enter. Okay, again it will download the required files, and it will update its library. Let it do its job. Okay, like this you can upgrade your library, and in the future videos I am going to show how to use this installed libraries. Okay, now you can see it successfully installed pip. Okay, 19.2.3. okay, and now it's upgraded or updated. Okay guys, thanks for watching. In the future videos I am going to show how to use these library functions for different work. Thanks for watching.